Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, beautiful cowl free ideas for modern girls. So please you must watch my video till then. ये स्पेशली उन गर्ल्स के लिए हैं जो गर्ल्स अर्ली मॉर्निंग किसी जॉब के लिए या स्टडी के लिए घर से बाहर निकलती हैं। विंटर सीजन में बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त रहेंगे ये उनके लिए। बहुत ही नाइस आइडियाज़ हैं, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त से यूनिक से आइडियाज़ हैं। क्रोशेट नेक वार्मर आइडियाज़ हैं, ब्यूटीफुल कॉल फ्री आइडियाज़, some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern, beautiful ideas. Mind-blowing pattern. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. And good comment section. Press the bell icon. Very nice. Hopefully you like this, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.